The bromance is over. Are you ready for the hottest soap opera that's happening on Wall Street in 2025? Trump versus Musk. It's on, and Tesla stock is headed down. Find out more in this video. Trump and Musk were tighter than a bull market rally. Trump even bragged, "Elon's my guy, I'll buy a Tesla." But now it's war. On June 5th, 2025, Trump blasted Musk saying, "Elon's mad because we're going to cut the EV mandate. That's billions and billions of dollars. He's upset, but I'm pro-American jobs." That's a gut punch to Tesla's EV empire. Musk clapped back at Trump on X. On Trump's big, beautiful bill, a $3.8 trillion tax package, a disgusting abomination that'll lead to debt slavery. He's also livid that Trump axed Jared Isaacman's NASA nomination, tweeting, "Jared's the space leader we need, not a bureaucrat." Social media posts screamed chaos, and one user called it Musk's declaration of war. Why is Tesla getting slammed? Starts with the EV mandate. Trump's bill cuts the $7,500 EV tax credit that Tesla lobbied hard for. $240,000 spent in Q1 alone. Tariffs on Chinese batteries could spike Tesla's costs, with web reports estimating a $16 billion market cap hit since March 2025. Second, Musk's feud with Trump spells trouble. Remember, he was once his key ally. If Trump scraps the autonomous vehicle rules, then Tesla's hopes for robotaxi, which are supposed to start here in a few weeks in Austin, Texas, are dust. And third, investor confidence is wobbling. Tesla's down 34% year to date, trading near the 100-day simple moving average. The Wall Street Journal says that Trump is losing patience with Musk, and fears of Musk's political distractions, Doge, SpaceX, NASA drama are spooking shareholders. But there's hope. Bloomberg calls Tesla's AI edge a long-term winner if Musk refocuses. Now, let's take a look at the charts and potentially where Tesla can go. Before we get into the charts here on Tesla, I forgot to mention the other comment that Trump made about Musk, saying he doesn't know if we'll have a great relationship anymore. So just more fuel to the fire. But here we go. Let's take a look at Tesla here on the daily chart. And just looking here, we hit that all-time high back in December, and that was off of the election push, the enthusiasm there. And a lot of that was because of regulations being lifted that would benefit Tesla, and that's why we saw that push. And then from there, it dropped significantly and got below basically all the moving averages except for its 100 on the monthly. And everything showed weakness there through April, even into the end of April. And Tesla found a bit of a bottom here. You could see this support. And then it started climbing off of those lows, pushing higher, and then finally gapped up above that 100 simple moving average on the daily and pushed up into an old resistance that potentially could have become new support. But what has happened, this news has come out about the bromance being on the rocks, and it is dumping. Now, notice right now, it is currently sitting on that 100-day simple moving average. So you would think that some buyers would step in here and try to take Tesla long. They might see this as a value area. So we'll have to wait and see if that does happen. That doesn't look the case right now. And below that 100, you have several other areas of support. You have the 200 on the daily, and then you get into the 50 SMA on the weekly, and then the 50 SMA on the daily. So there is quite a bit of support where buyers could step in, that 200 being that next level, which is 304.53. And then below that, we're looking at the 50 daily and 50 weekly SMAs, so around 292. And if it would break through that, then it could potentially come down to where it was back in April. And that would be near that 50 SMA on the monthly, the 100 SMA on the weekly, and the 200 SMA on the weekly. So will it fall down into those areas? Will buyers step in here at the 100? Who knows? But for now, it doesn't look good for Tesla at the moment. The Trump-Musk feud is a trader's wake-up call. Politics can scorch stocks. Or Tesla's bleeding, but it could present a long-term opportunity for an investment. Will Tesla rebound from this drop and recover, or will it continue to fall off a cliff? As always, thank you for supporting Courage Pays Better Than Fear, and if you haven't yet, smash that subscribe button, and I'll see you on the next video.